What do you do in your own free time? Let me guess. Perhaps you watch an entire season of your favorite show on Netflix. Or maybe you binge watch tons of random videos on YouTube. Or maybe you view streams from your favorite streamers on Twitch. Well, the point is, I'm sure that you spend a lot of time on your phone watching videos that may be funny, inspirational, educational, or literally any video on any platform. But did you know that with that hobby of yours, you can actually get to earn a big amount of money? Bet you didn't know that, huh? It's actually the premier and most up-to-date method of earning money online nowadays because it is literally so amazing. You can access this method within the four corners of your own room since it's so easy and perfectly ideal for beginners. There is no need for your gears, skills, or even experience because as easy as watching videos online, you get to earn money for free. That's right, this method is absolutely 100% free. In this video, I'll tell you all about this strategy that will get you more money online by doing simple steps. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. That said, let's get on to the first website. On your search bar, I want you to type in grabpoints.com and hit enter. So grabpoints.com is the first website where you can earn large amounts of money online. As you can see right here, you are immediately greeted with these 3 easy ways as to how you can make money with a website. You can earn money by watching TV, by answering some surveys, and by completing offers. But as a personal preference, and what I think is the best method to make money online, I'll tell you all about the watching videos option. Well, that's literally the point of this entire video, right? Anyway, there's this little thing that I really like about GrabPoints, and that is their payout threshold. You can choose to pay out as little as $5, which is really amazing considering how other websites have a much higher payout requirement as compared to this one. Right here on this page, you can discover as much as you like because everything is just presented to you right here. So feel free to navigate around the page so that you get to find out everything you need to find out. As for me, I'll now teach you how you can begin your journey right here by creating an account for free. You can do this by filling out your basic information right here, such as your email address and password. And as easy as clicking the Sign Up Now button, you get to have your own free account. Without further ado, allow me to walk you through the entire process after making an account for free. The very first thing that you will see here are the surveys that you can answer sometime. However, since we are focusing on watching videos, let's go ahead and locate where it is. So right here on the left portion of the page, you can see categories, namely surveys, watch, and offers. These are the categories that will allow you to earn money, and obviously I want you to click on the watch section to start watching some videos, and then earn money very easily. Now you may think you don't need to finish this video anymore since you already found out about the website. Well, you are absolutely wrong because there are some things that can go wrong if you close this video because if you do, you may miss out on some stuff that's really important to get this done right. I want you to earn money, so lend me your full attention and make sure to listen very carefully. Going back to the page, you'll be redirected to this page that will look exactly like this. Right here, you can see these 2 options where you are going to choose either of them to start watching videos. When you hover on their icons, you can actually see the overview for the task and even get the information regarding how many points you can earn as well as the task instructions. So let's not prolong the agony and click on one of these. And for today, I'll be showing you Lootably. After clicking on the start button, you'll be redirected to this page where you can see the videos that you can watch to start your money-making journey. Beside the videos, you can also see the points that you can earn after performing such tasks. So let's go ahead and watch a video. Simply click on any one of these videos right here and then you'll find yourself being redirected to this page where you will sign up once again so that you have your credentials on their system. After signing up, they will recommend some videos that you can watch in order for you to start earning some money. Now, it's impossible for you to get bored because their videos are really interesting and fun, and some of these videos can even teach you a lesson or two. And on top of that, you even get to earn money. Well, that basically sums up all about the first website. But before we proceed, I'm going to clear things up. This strategy will not make you an overnight millionaire, so you might want to tone down the expectations. However, when you follow all the steps that I mentioned, I guarantee you that you can earn a reasonable amount of money, just enough to keep you going. Anyway, we now move on to the second website that I'll introduce in this video, which is called superpay.me. With a whopping $4 million worth of payments made to the users, superpay.me is a very astonishing app because it will immediately pay you 20 cents just for signing up. And that's possibly the easiest 20 cents that you've ever had to make your entire lifetime. Once you've successfully signed up, you now have access to tons of different sections right here, such as the offer wall, which I will discuss later on. Before that, allow me to clear any anxiety that you have because you may be concerned about the website's legitimacy. I can assure you that I've done plenty of research, and this page right here will surely give you peace. On the payment proof section right here, you can view thousands of people that have been paid with real money from SuperPay. They present such information with complete transparency, as you can see the name of the member, date of payment, payment type, and even the amount. Given all that, you surely don't have anything to worry about at all. So now you want to be one of these people, right? All you have to do is click on the offer walls and locate the Engage Video section right here, since that is what this entire video is all about. You'll then find yourself here on this page where you can view tons of different videos that you can freely choose from in order to make money from watching them, because you have all the liberty to find videos that you actually find interesting. Remember that you signed up for an account again on the previous website? Well, you're going to do the same right here on SuperPay. After clicking on your chosen video, they will ask you to sign up for an account so that they can track your activity and pay you the corresponding amount, depending on the amount of videos that you've watched. Now let me tell you something. A lot of users actually do not get to earn money because they do not follow the steps that I told you about in this video. So to emphasize, make sure that you sign up for an account on your chosen video right here on hideout.tv so that you will actually have your money. A few seconds to sign up won't hurt, right? So simply sign up, watch a video, and claim your money. You can cash out your payment back on the superpay.me page by clicking on the rewards section, and you will be clicking on this right here, which says withdraw cash. And it's easy as 1, 2, 3, we are done with the second website. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. And now we're almost done with our list as we dive right into website number 4, swagbucks.com. Like the previous website, Swagbucks is a famous and established platform for making money online. Being recognized on BuzzFeed, ABC, The Huffington Post, and the like, Swagbucks is definitely a highly legitimate website to earn real money. So how does it work exactly? You can get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things that you do online, such as shopping, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, and answering surveys. With a good caliber of options, let's just focus on making money through watching videos. The process is pretty much the same with the previous websites where you'll just have to sign up for an account, then you go from there. After signing up for an account, you now have access to tons of several videos that you can watch to earn points on the website. Just try to earn more and more points because the more points you have, the higher amount of money you can get. You can then claim your money on PayPal, or you can choose to be compensated by way of gift cards. Either way, you get to be rewarded with real money just by doing something so easy. And just like that, you're now on to the last website. Heading on to the 5th and final website to conclude this video, let's visit picoworkers.com. PicoWorkers is a bit different from the other ones because here, you are going to click on several websites to earn money. However, it has the same accessibility, convenience, and ease of use, so don't get turned off. PicoWorkers will allow you to earn large amounts of money through these job listings right here. Listings can vary according to nature, since some may offer you to watch videos to earn money, while some will just require you to click on a website, and you're good to go. I saved the best for last for you guys since this website is the quickest way to earn money online. Some job offers may only compensate you for a small amount, but the thing is, you only click on websites to earn them very easily. Oh, and also, job offers refresh every single day, so you can never run out of tasks to do, thus making your income limitless with this website. You can choose to perform tasks by watching videos since it's our main topic for today, but I can't really help sharing about a much quicker way to make money, and that is by clicking on websites. And just that, simple, easy. By the way, PicoWorkers has been on the internet for a lot of years now, and trust me, it's been proven as a very effective and efficient method to earn money online. With thousands of people making use of this website, there is literally nothing for you to be anxious about. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.